4 huge diversion tunnels, 2 on each side of the river through the canyon walls. Now these tunnels averaged 4,000 feet long, that's 3/4 of a mile, but more importantly they were 56 feet in diameter, that's as wide as a 4-lane highway, as high as a 5-story building. Lined with 3 feet of concrete, you're currently standing in an original diversion tunnel right about this location. Now working in these tunnels was certainly no easy task. Temperatures could reach 140 degrees. There was continuous drilling and dynamiting going on all the time, gasoline-powered trucks and the fumes they produce coming in and out of the tunnels. However, working 24/7 with as many as 1,500 people, we were able to complete these tunnels in about 18 months. Over on the Arizona side of the power plant, the only real difference, we do have 9 large generators over there, where we have 8 here on this side. When all 17 generators are operating, we can produce enough electricity here for over 1 million homes. That's 2,080 megawatts. We send our electricity to 3 different states. Approximately 56% goes to Southern California. We keep 25%.
At the base, you see 2 long buildings, one on each side of the canyon. These house the 17 generators that create the electrical energy that provides the funding for the operation and maintenance of this facility. This allows Hoover Dam to operate without the use of taxpayer dollars. You'll notice the roofs on both buildings appear to have wires coming out of them. This is called
telescope for barrels to look for.